Good afternoon, followers. Good afternoon, viewers. Good afternoon, our clients, depending where you are watching this video from and the time. If you are a vehicle owner, if you are a mechanic, if you are AC technician, if you are a driver, and if you are someone that wants to learn or to acquire knowledge about automobile conditioning, this video is for you. Today is day 2 on automobile AC system quiz, question and answer. We are in number 2 question. Yesterday we answered 1 question, so today is day 2. And of course, before I answer my question, or before I answer this quiz question, I will have to explain how the system works so that we understand how I get to the answer. Meaning that in every answer that I'm going to give, I'm going to justify my answer with explanation. And today's question is, which is number 2 question in this quiz: how refrigerant flow in your car AC system? That's today's question. And we have 4 options here, which is A, B, C, and D. And the one option says compressor, evaporator, condenser, expansion valve. And the number 2 option said condenser, compressor, expansion valve, evaporator. Number 3 option says compressor, condenser, expansion valve, evaporator. Then number 4, as the last option, said expansion valve, condenser, compressor, and evaporator. My answer is C, which is compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. And I'm going to justify my answer. And today I came with a drawing so that you'll be able to understand what I'm going to, where I get my answer from. This is a line diagram of automobile air conditioning system. As you can see, we have the compressor here, and from this arrow, this is how it flows, right? So you have compressor here, which flows to your condenser. From your condenser, we have the expansion valve. In this diagram contains two AC system, the one with expansion valve and the one with the orifice tube. If you can see, I make a note here. This is receiver-drier. So in every system that you have a receiver-drier will be after your evaporator. Know that that system is fitted with orifice tube. In a system that you have a filter dryer after your condenser, know that the system is with the expansion valve. That's why I wrote it down here. Expansion valve and the system with the filter dryer. So your compressor compresses refrigerant and deliver to a high pressure and high temperature and deliver it to your condenser. Condenser is where it's going to be cooled down with the help of your condenser fan and further change the state from gaseous to liquid. Then deliver it to your filter dryer. Filter dryer will trap moisture and also metal shaving from the liquid refrigerant. Then deliver it to your expansion valve. Expansion valve is where it's going to cause pressure drop and further regulate the amount of liquid refrigerant that will go into your evaporator. Then evaporator will then reject the coolness to the interior of your car and further change the state from liquid to gaseous. Because liquid is incompressible, then go back to your compressor and the cycle repeats itself. So that was how I derived my own answer. And I will repeat again. The question was how refrigerant flow in your car AC system. And the option 1 was compressor, evaporator, condenser, and expansion valve. Then option 2 said from condenser to compressor to expansion valve, then to evaporator. Option 3 said from compressor to condenser to expansion valve to evaporator. Then option 4 said from expansion valve, condenser, compressor, and evaporator. So the correct answer here is option 3, which is D, from your compressor to your condenser, then your condenser to your expansion valve, then from your expansion valve to your evaporator, and the cycle repeats itself. Thank you, and please do well to share this video, and see you tomorrow again with another question. Remember, I have a 15 question to answer and I don't want to block you with a long video, so I'm going to answer them one at a time with the explanation to justify my answer. See you some other time, and thank you in advance for sharing it.